Glitzy Glam, and I'm excited to show you our laundry area and how I have organized it. I'm also going to show you some ideas that I have for never sorting your socks ever again, and the Dollar Tree items I used, but some of the items I did not use from Dollar Tree just because my husband had another idea that he preferred, and that I was fine with that, because if your husband and your kids are on board, which sometimes that's a struggle, then it makes things a little bit easier. So let's go ahead and let me show you what I've done. Nearest to say, this is my laundry room. It's blew up. And the thing that makes this even worse is most of this is clean laundry. But now it's been in here so long, just jumbled up, that I don't know what's clean and what's dirty, and I don't think anybody else does. But we're going to get this organized. I have all this wall space here, which isn't a lot, but I do have some space. But I'm going to wait till it gets a little bit cooler, and then I'm going to tackle the whole garage, which is a whole nother right. Here is the after, and now these laundry baskets will be in our bedroom and in our bedrooms, but I wanted to show you what we chose to do to sort our laundry. Now the little gray one, that one's mine, because I've already got a pretty good habit. I just, when I want it's full once a week, I just sort out the colors. I put my socks in that little bag, so I never have to sort socks again. I sort my clothes by color, whites, lights, and darks and brights. Those are three categories. And sometimes if I don't need to bleach any whites, I'll put the whites and the cream, the lights and the whites together, and the darks and brights together, just so that it's two loads. But that's my laundry basket, because I take care of my laundry on a regular basis. Now, the one my husband chose to use is this 3 sorter that has a metal base because it's sturdy. Now, the reason I like it is because it has these detachable bins so that he can take his load, empty it, and bring it back, because I did not want the laundry baskets to come into the laundry room and never make it back to their bedroom, and then they pile up their dirty clothes in the corner instead of putting it in the laundry sorter. So this is his laundry sorter, and this, if he chooses to use it like I use it and my son uses it, he can put his socks in there, zip it up, and never have to pull his socks out of his laundry one at a time again. They all go in there and get washed, and there's probably not going to be any lost socks that way as well. Now, this was from Sam's Club, and it was $39, but that was my husband's choice, and I'm happy with that, because he'll use it, and that laundry basket will not stay in the laundry room ever again, hopefully. Now, this is a Dollar Tree version. Now, this hamper, we lined it with this. I bought at Dollar Tree. It's mesh. You put it on just like a trash liner. Your laundry goes in. You grab the whole bag, bring it to the laundry room, and put it in the washer and dryer. I have to say, we're not... my son is not super duper about, sorting his laundry by colors. He just washes all of his together, and that's fine with me. We don't buy a lot of stuff that will stain the light colored clothes, etc. But my husband's work clothes and stuff, we try to keep all of his stuff separate because his are dress shirts and slacks and jeans and etc. So that's what we chose to use for sorting our laundry, but you can use a Dollar Tree bag, and then your laundry baskets stay in the rooms, and all you are taking in here is your laundry. So I really like that a lot. And then, as you can see, we got everything cleaned up off the floor. I have this green trash can for lint. The blue bin is for some flannel rags that, well, it was actually a flannel sheet that I cut up into squares so that I can wet those with laundry detergent and throw those into the dryer without buying dryer sheets. But I will have to admit, I also use the dryer sheets on occasion for my table linens, for my parties, and you know, so I do use both. The stain remover that I use is the Awesome Laundry Pre-Wash, and we bought this little thing. Now, you can use it over here between the washer and dryer, but right now I'm using it there. I have this little container for things that get left in pockets. I have this little container for my homemade laundry soap, and that's going to be my next video. It's going to be on what I use to wash my laundry. And this homemade laundry soap, you only use 2 tablespoons per load. And then I've got stain removers. I've got clips in case I want to hang dry. There's some dry cleaning stuff there, and my spot remover. And then this stays nice and clean. As you can see, we've already ruined it, so now that's how we're gonna keep it clean. We're gonna keep it clean so that it doesn't get, and this is also laundry detergent. You know, I do use the homemade laundry detergent, but occasionally when I run out, sometimes it's faster to just buy this. But I do save money using the pre-made laundry soap. And then I have this here for anyone that needs instructions on how to do the laundry. I've had that there for years to give my teenagers instructions on how to do laundry. It's Laundry 101 on the internet, and I just printed it out. And then, of course, I have bins at the top. Now, the first 3 bins are for some of my kids' keepsakes. You know, they're 18 and 21 now, so these are just a few little keepsakes that I've kept. I don't keep everything. And then over here, those are empty to be used for anything that I may need to put up there. And these bins inside the cabinet, the last 2 cabinets have bins full of spray paint. And then there's my cleaning. That's where I make my my homemade laundry soap. And then we just have a whole bunch of dog biscuits that we wanted to store up here. The liquid cleaner for our Bissell, so when we shampoo our carpet, and just some extra stuff in there. But that's my laundry, and while I'm at it, I might as well show you where I bought the Dollar Tree hooks to hang up my broom and cleaning supplies here on the wall. The over the door hook and that hook was bought at Dollar Tree. And then I bought these shoe organizers from Walmart, and I use those. So this is where I'm going to put my paper towels And the cardboard box has stuff for the Bissell and the vacuum stored in it, cleaning supplies for the car, and disinfectant and vinegar. Vinegar is a good cleaning agency. I have to say I cannot. I have to clean my bathroom with bleach, disinfectant, cleaner. Well, I have both. And I know you don't mix them, so don't worry about that. But I have disinfectant, cleaner, and I also have a bottle of bleach cleaner for the toilets. The toilets, I have to have them cleaned with bleach. I just do. That's just me. And then the rest of the bathroom, just regular disinfectant cleaner. And then the more cleaning supplies for the car and the house. And at the top is where I'll put extra canned goods, because I do not have a pantry, and it's nice to have an extra place for canned goods. But that is my laundry room, and I did spend this whole weekend cleaning my garage. So that will be the next video. That's where I hang a few items. That's where my husband puts his folded pants. And then we have this for him to hang up his shirts. You know, me and my son, we just take our stuff straight to our room. So that is our system. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the ideas that I have for sorting our laundry. And join my channel. I'd love that. Subscribe to my channel so that you can see my garage next.